What's up, guys? Misterepicowboy here, and I just gotta say, I'm sorry. I posted an intro a while back. I was gonna put it on all my videos, but we didn't have our computer at the time. Like it wasn't working. It was glitchy. Finally got it fixed. So now, as you saw, I am going to be putting intros on my videos now. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And today, oh man, I am doing another sneezing challenge. Suggested by Tico 58501, Golden Gamer, and Perfect Cell. I'm gonna be doing another Q-tip sneezing challenge, but this time I'm gonna be putting both in my nostrils, and I'm gonna try not to sneeze. And wait for it, gotta be right back, swear. If I win this challenge, you guys have to like and comment, and there you go. Okay, well, I have two Q-tips on me. I get two chances. If I lose, I have to subscribe and like all of your guys' videos. You just gotta leave your username in the description, or not the description, the comments. By the way, Golden Gamer, Perfect Cell, and Tico 58051. Their links in the description if you want to go check them out. And anyways, let's get this started. Alright, so, well, hold on, feeling really lightheaded. Alright, so, lost first round, second round is on. Pretty scared, but, you know, if I lose, I get to subscribe to you. But if I win, you guys have to like this video. Thank you. Let's get started. Ha! Ha! No! Never mind. Just kidding. Sorry about the filter. Alright guys, Misterepicowboy has done the sneezing challenge. Love you guys, Mr. Cowboy, out.